This is a comprehensive review of How to Draw Cool Stuff, a drawing guide for teachers and students, 10th anniversary edition by Catherine V. Holmes. We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you an expert-driven, detailed overview of what users like and dislike about this book. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. How to Draw Cool Stuff, a drawing guide for teachers and students, 10th anniversary edition, is a paperback instructional art book authored by Catherine V. Holmes and published by Library Tales Publishing in September 2024. With 289 pages, it is positioned as a comprehensive resource for both teachers and students, as well as anyone interested in improving their drawing skills. The book is written in English, weighs 1.35 pounds, and measures 8 by 0.66 by 10 inches. It has achieved impressive rankings on Amazon, including #16 in pencil drawing, #17 in pen and ink drawing, and #22 in figure drawing guides, with an overall bestsellers rank of #16, 780 in books. It boasts a high customer rating of 4.7 out of 5, based on over 21,800 reviews, indicating widespread satisfaction among buyers. Users consistently praise the book for its accessibility and effectiveness for beginners and experienced artists alike. Many reviewers mentioned that they had long aspired to learn to draw and found this book to be the perfect starting point. The step-by-step instructions are detailed and methodical, making complex concepts approachable. The author's intent to help readers see the world differently as they learn to draw is evident throughout the book. The structure encourages active participation, with spaces for note-taking and activities that reinforce learning. This interactive approach is frequently cited as a major strength, fostering both skill development and confidence. The book's versatility is another highlight. While it is specifically designed for teachers and students, it is equally useful in non-school environments. Users have successfully used the book for self-study, relaxation, and even as a resource for teaching art in various settings, from middle school classrooms to home sessions with grandchildren. The lessons are adaptable, allowing readers to progress at their own pace and revisit concepts as needed. This flexibility has made the book a staple for many, with some users purchasing additional titles in the series after experiencing positive results. One of the key features that sets How to Draw Cool Stuff apart is its focus on foundational drawing skills. The book covers a wide range of techniques, including pencil and pen and ink drawing, figure drawing, shading, and composition. Each lesson builds upon the previous one, creating a logical progression that supports steady improvement. Users appreciate the clarity of the instructions and the way complex subjects are broken down into manageable steps. The inclusion of tips and tricks throughout the book provides valuable insights that are not always found in standard drawing guides. In terms of presentation, the book is well organized and visually appealing. The layout is clean, with ample space for practice and annotation. The quality of the paper and binding is noted by several reviewers, who report that the book arrives well packaged and free of blemishes. The durability of the physical product ensures that it can withstand frequent use, making it a reliable resource for ongoing practice. Despite its many strengths, some users note that the book may not be the easiest for young children to follow independently. While the instructions are clear, the level of detail and the complexity of some exercises may require adult guidance or prior drawing experience for younger readers. However, for teenagers, adults, and motivated beginners, the book is widely regarded as an excellent investment. Performance-wise, users report significant improvements in their drawing abilities after working through the lessons. Many describe a newfound confidence and a deeper understanding of artistic techniques. The book's emphasis on discipline and regular practice is echoed in multiple reviews, with readers acknowledging that consistent effort is key to achieving the best results. The sense of accomplishment that comes from completing the activities and seeing tangible progress is a recurring theme in user feedback. The book's appeal extends beyond individual learners. Teachers find it to be a valuable classroom resource with adaptable lessons that can be integrated into various curricula. The activities are suitable for group settings, encouraging collaboration and peer learning. The author's background as an educator is evident in the thoughtful design of the lessons, which cater to different learning styles and skill levels. Retired teachers and parents also report using the book with family members, highlighting its intergenerational appeal. Another aspect that users appreciate is the author's supportive tone and encouragement. The book fosters a growth mindset, reminding readers that artistic skill is developed through practice and perseverance. This positive approach helps to alleviate the intimidation that some beginners feel when starting to draw. The sense of community among users, as reflected in online reviews and discussions, further enhances the learning experience. While the majority of feedback is overwhelmingly positive, a few users mentioned that they would have liked to see more advanced techniques or a greater variety of subject matter. For those seeking highly specialized or advanced instruction, supplementary resources may be beneficial. However, as a foundational guide, How to Draw Cool Stuff delivers on its promise to make drawing accessible and enjoyable for a wide audience. In summary, How to Draw Cool Stuff, a drawing guide for teachers and students, 10th anniversary edition, stands out as a comprehensive and user-friendly resource for anyone interested in developing their drawing skills. Its step-by-step approach, interactive activities, and adaptable lessons make it suitable for self-learners, teachers, and families alike. The high customer ratings and positive testimonials from users across different backgrounds attest to its effectiveness and broad appeal. The book's emphasis on practice, discipline, and creative exploration resonates with readers, many of whom report lasting improvements in their artistic abilities. If you are looking for a reliable and engaging drawing guide, this book is a strong contender. Do not forget to check the link in the description to learn more or to purchase the book, and please consider leaving your own review in the comments if you have used this item. Your feedback can help others make informed choices and support the channel.